Innovations of Internet of Thing in Indonesia. Indonesia as a developing country has a great potential to implement IoT technology in the industrial sector. Here are some well-known platforms from Indonesia that innovating utilizing IoT technology. NodeFlux, eFishery, Hara, and Clue. NodeFlux is a platform with distributed computation capabilities. It develops deep learning computer vision to provide intelligence video analytics for multi-sectoral industries and modern society. It develops a platform technology known as Visionaire. Visionaire integrates artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning technology in computer vision area. It worked as the brain of implementation all NodeFlux's solutions. NodeFlux offers solutions for the development of smart cities and business enterprises. NodeFlux creates tools to extending vision beyond imagination. There are face recognition, people trajectory, people dwelling, vehicle counting and classification, license plate recognition, and the others. It also provides tools that can detect sidewalk bending area acquisition and support disaster prevention like water level detection. eFishery. eFishery is the first aquaculture intelligent in Indonesia. Their objectives are to become a solution addressed to the fundamental problems in the aquaculture industry by providing affordable technology. They provide tools like eFishery feeder to feed fish or shrimp. It can be automatically controlled to feed fish or shrimp through the smartphone. People can be able to control the feeding schedule and to measure the feeding dose. They market a variety fishery commodity directly from the local farmers and fishermen to the consumer, both large party needs and home needs, through the eFishery Fresh. Hara. Hara invited stakeholders in the agriculture industry, such as farmers, marketers, assessors, and banks, to share data in order to improve the overall quality of the industry. Those who share data and contribute to the Hara platform will be rewarded with a number of tokens. These tokens can be exchanged with certain products or services with business partners that have worked together. Not only agriculture, Hara is also looking at other industrial sectors that can benefit from the presence of blockchain technology. Clue focused on implementing smart city technology to push for a sustainable, safer city, and promotes government transparency and accountability. They work closely with city institutions, local communities, and police departments in combating urban issues. In the 4 years cooperation with Jakarta government, it has seen tangible results.